Hi, welcome to your module-related assignment on adulthood. So, you're in your second week of the module, so here is your fun assignment. I think this one's really fun. You'll get to do an interview with an adult, so you know what an adult is. Think about that criteria, and then using the module readings, and then two outside sources. So, your outside sources can be articles, they can be research, they can be a website, but it needs to be credible. You're going to create 5 interesting interview questions you would like to ask someone in middle to late adulthood about ways to enhance optimal aging. What has worked for them and what has not. I would like you to really think about some cool questions that you can ask. These questions can be up to you. Make sure that they're respectful and mindful of who you're talking to, but that these questions will get to an answer of enhance optimal aging. So what does that mean? Like, what does optimal aging mean? Maybe happiness, finding a happiness in your life, or optimal aging doesn't have to be coming out of it with fewest wrinkles possible. It means making the most of your life as you age. So after you conduct the interview, I do want to see those interview questions. So make sure the questions are outlined and then the answers. Sometimes people talk a lot, so I'm not expecting you to type every single word that they say, but just kind of an outline of what they said, a summary. So then you'll write a 1 to 2 page instruction manual for people in midlife or adulthood to enhance optimal aging. So you'll include what you learned from the interview, direct references from the reading, and then 2 outside sources. Again, when you are putting in things from readings or outside sources, make sure you are citing where those are from. If you have exactly copied and pasted something, you need to put the reference. What website is it from? Who is the author? Right after. So a total of 3 sources should be on a separate reference page, and then make sure those 5 interview questions you used are in there with a summary. So however you want to put this 1 to 2 page instruction manual together, I'm fine with. It doesn't have to be just a strict essay. It doesn't have to be, okay, here's my questions, here's my answers, here's what I learned. You can get really creative with this, but make sure that you have those 5 questions, you have the answers to those questions, and in some way you have an instruction manual that adds in what you have learned from this, including sources, 1 outside source, and sources from our module. So I know that this can be a lot. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.